Once the Orion software has been loaded, the first step is to add a printer so that then we can create print stations and specific messages on the system. Now we're going to simulate it here. We already actually have a printer connected. There's two ways to do it. You can manually connect it, or you make a manual connection by typing in the serial number from the controller, or if you initiate the process and plug the printer in, then it will automatically search it. So to add a printer, we'll just pretend that we don't have one added already down here, but to add a printer, we just go register new printer. Now this is where if you have the printer plugged into the Ethernet port onto your network or onto your computer, your PC, if you click on this, it will find it. In our case, we're going to set up a virtual printer. We'll just manually load the serial number, so we'll click here. You would go ahead and look at the label on the back of the controller and type in the serial number here. I've got it copied, so I'm just going to paste it here. And as soon as you put in a good serial number, you'll see it will populate the bottom here. It'll then know what the coder is, so a Copilot with these features. And then we will go ahead and click OK. And then click OK. Now, okay, so it recognized that it's already registered down below, so we'll just cancel that. Now, once you have created a coder, the default name down here will be Copilot. And so if there's multiple printers at the plant and we want to just remember which is where, then we can go ahead and we can right click and we can go configure printer, and then we come up, it then opens this window, and then if we go network configuration, then it has a printer name at the top. So the default would be Copilots, and then we can just go ahead and type in whatever is relevant here, and then when the changes are made, we just close it, and then you'll see the name down at the bottom here. Then the next step at this point, and there's a separate video, is creating print stations. Now we already have 3 of them created now on this software already, and you will go ahead, each different specific different bag width is a print station is represented by each different bag width. So what happens then when you create a code underneath this print station, the code will be the appropriate width for that specific bag, and that's in another video.